Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I am Pooja Thakur or at Lines and Strokes. I am a self-taught artist. I love to draw portraits, but I'm also interested and eager and excited to try out new subjects and different mediums. So today's video is packed with creativity and gratitude. So to kick things off, here I'm showcasing a real quick pencil portrait sketch. Hope you like it. So here I'm just using two colors, one a lighter orange color for the initial structure of the face, to draw the structure of the face, and then just detailing it out with a darker kind of pink purple pencil. Yeah, that's it. Now let's move on to something really close to my heart, showing my sincere appreciation to all the wonderful people who support my work. Recently, I had the joy of packing a special order from my website for a lovely customer. This thoughtful order includes two enchanting Studio Ghibli themed bookmark prints. So these are originally a hand-painted watercolor bookmarks that I got printed and up on my website for sale. So if you're interested, you can check out my website, linesandstrokes.in. The link is also in the description. So yes, I'm beyond grateful for your support and love. Each order makes a significant impact and allows me to continue pursuing my passion. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for being a part of this journey and making it all possible. Thank you. Okay, so next this is a little pencil sketch I did last night, and the next day I was inspired to make a painting of the same. So I've tried gouache for florals for the first time here. So using the vibrant colors and versatility of gouache, I try to capture the essence and grace of these blossoms, and it's always an exciting and enriching experience to explore, new mediums and techniques. Now, interestingly, for the initial sketch, I unintentionally used watercolor pencils. And to my surprise, this happy mistake added a very beautiful touch to the background as the pencils, the colors gently blended when a coat of water was applied. And to make things even more interesting, I picked up my old worn-out brush. Little did I know that it would gift me with stunning brush strokes, adding a unique texture to the flowers. It just goes to show that sometimes the most unexpected tools can lead to delightful artistic discoveries. Now, as the flowers bloom on the paper, I find solace and a sense of connection with nature's wonders. Creating art is an immersive experience that takes me on a journey of self-expression and mindfulness. I hope this painting resonates with you, evoking a sense of joy and inspiration. Okay, so moving on to the next part of the video. Here again I am onto making a new portrait sketch using my colored pencils. So this is a more detailed kind of a video. You get to see a lot of steps here. I'll just quickly try to walk you through my steps of portrait drawing. So I start off with a circle, then a vertical line and a horizontal line to divide the face, and then mark the positions of different features, the eyes, the nose, the lips, ears and all. So once I have the structure of my face ready, then I go ahead with adding the details of the features, like placing the nose, drawing the lips and everything. So unlike traditional smooth blending with colored pencils, my approach here involves strokes to emphasize the different planes of the face. Now this technique allows me to create a sense of depth and dimension, kind of bringing life to my portrait. Facial planes are very crucial in portraying the individual's features. Now by paying close attention to how light interacts with the contours of the face, we can convey subtle expressions and emotions. Now, each stroke of the colored pencil is an opportunity to infuse the artwork with depth and character. And it's really great. With every new portrait I draw, I'm constantly amazed by the power of art to reflect the essence of human spirit. The eyes, the smile, the subtle details, they're all weaved together to create a kind of nice, beautiful visual story. Throughout this process, I'm reminded of the endless possibilities of self-expression through art. It's an opportunity to connect with others, to share emotions, and to bring joy to the world through creativity. Now, whether you're an art enthusiast or someone just starting to explore the world of creativity, I want to encourage you to embrace your artistic journey. There's no right or wrong in art, only boundless opportunities to explore yourself, express yourself, and touch the hearts of others. Now, as we continue to witness the portrait sketch come to life, let me share a few tips and tricks that have helped me in my colored pencil artwork. So first of all, colored pencils are really great for practicing portrait drawings because unlike the graphite pencils, the colored pencils are smoother. So while drawing the base guidelines, the circles, the lines, you can draw them like really quickly with 2-3 strokes at a time. It's very smooth, right? So just give it a try if you're someone trying to get on to learning portrait drawing. Instead of graphite pencils, I would just suggest try practicing with colored pencils. It would be a great help. It has really helped and improved my learning process to a great extent. So for learning, it's great. And of course, layering, the shading, that's a lot smoother and easier with colored pencils compared to graphite. Okay, so here I am just taking a little break from sketching, and this one's my old oil painting. Yes, it's again a portrait painting with oil. It's completely dried off. I have another one. Now you can get to see all of my artworks if you follow me on Instagram. I post my daily drawings and whatever I do, whatever art I make on a daily basis there. I share it there so you can check it out if you are interested. All the links are in the description. So yeah, it's nicely varnished, glossy. Okay, back to sketching. So yes, I was discussing some tips and tricks with colored pencils. So of course you get the choice of colors with colored pencils. You understand values, right? Values play a really important role if you want to give or understand. Values give a sense of depth and realism. If you can get the values right, like 90%, 80 to 90% of your work is done. First of all, your drawing should be like good and perfect. Good, let's not call it perfect. The drawing should be good. And next, you should be able to identify values like which side or which planes or which areas are lighter, which areas are darker. So if you can identify that, great. You can really make realistic looking portraits by just having a good outline and good sense of light and shadow. If you're able to identify and mark it there on your drawing, your portrait will a lot look like real. So that's what I'm doing here. I took another darker blue pencil, and I'm kind of hatching, if you understand hatching and cross hatching. With those techniques, I'm adding the darker shadow parts or darker parts of the face, and then that's it. I guess I'm done with the sketch here. Now, before we conclude the segment, I encourage you to pick up a pencil, a brush, and express yourself throughout, whether it's a sketch, a painting, anything. Let it be a reflection of your unique voice. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you again soon.